This is why your tamping is inconsistent. It's almost impossible to get a level puck when your portafilter is tilting in an angle like this. Most people buy bulky stands like this to compensate that angle so they can have a level puck. I've got 3 very different lay flat 180-degree solutions from Normcore today. The Unibody, flat naked bottomless, and all stainless steel bling version. Let's unbox them, see if we can get rid of this portafilter stand for good. Let's start with the Unibody. I got this for my Gaggia Classic E24 machine. It's beautiful, carved out of a single stainless steel slab. It does have a built-in high extraction basket, and it has chamfered edges to make the puck prep a lot easier. And it has a beautiful aluminum handle, Normcore etched right over here, as well as to the bottom of it. This is a beautiful unibody basket. What makes this unibody portafilter unique is this built-in 0.28 millimeter high extraction basket. There's no spring, no removable parts. It's one solid unit. And you can see it sits 100% flat. So you can easily tamp without any wobble, nothing. It's an interesting concept, but it does pull beautiful shots. And the best part is no stand required. Now for the Breville Sage owners, I have this one for my Breville machine. It comes for pretty much all of them, like everything else over here. And this one has a built-in high extraction basket. It comes with paper filters, as well as a puck screen. So it's an excellent starter kit. In my case, if you want to upgrade from your Breville's plastic infused light duty dual spout portafilter, this is an excellent choice. Again, it's carved out of single slab of stainless steel, flat naked bottomless, meaning it sits flat. And again, tamping is no big deal at all. As you see, no movement, no wobble, unless you do it purposely. Quick side note, I'm on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers by June, so I can keep bringing these gear deep dives, machine reviews, and things like that to the channel. We are currently at 641, so if you find this content helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you can help me reach that goal. Now let's check out the bling version. This is the all stainless steel carved out of single slab of metal, 180-degree horizontal version. If you want that classic Italian chrome look for your Gaggia, for your Breville, or for your E61 machine, this is the way to go, you guys. Check this out. Beautifully done. Comes with a Normcore's high extraction basket. Again, 200 sheet of 58 millimeters paper, and of course a stainless steel puck screen. It's beautifully done, designed by Normcore, etched right on the handle, and it lays flat, as you see. Here it is. No problem whatsoever. It's incredibly heavy and high polish. And 180-degree horizontal means the head and the handle are perfectly flat. It's probably the most stable tamping platform I ever used. And for those of you who already love their portafilter, they don't want to upgrade it or change it, or they already invested into a portafilter, but they just want to have a warmer look, maybe get rid of this plastic handle, I have another solution from Normcore for you. And that's the American Walnut handle to upgrade quickly and economically your current portafilter. It comes with the M10 screw. Most of these portafilters take M10, unless it's the E61. There's a slightly larger, if I'm not wrong, I think it's M14 screw on those. But for rest of the machines, for your DeLonghi's, your Normcores, your Gaggias, they should all take 10 millimeter screw, which is M10 screw. So this is the quick and economic way of upgrading your portafilter with a beautiful American walnut handle. If you like, you can get the olive wood, or cherry, I think, is the other option. I think it's beautiful. It also has designed by Normcore etched on the handle. As beautiful as it is, it's very helpful to lock in your portafilter into your machine without slippage or anything like that. If you want a cleaner workflow, any of these three will let you ditch your stand. The Unibody is perfect for tech lovers. This little guy is perfect for beginners and intermediate ones. It's a great kit, very affordable. And of course, 180-degree full stainless steel one is for those of you looking for that luxury Italian look for their machine. I put the links for all of these for Gaggia, Breville, and E61 machines. So feel free to go ahead and check them out. If you order through those links, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. If you want to see the best grinder to pair with these, click here to see my Eureka Mignon upgrade video. Thanks for helping me to get closer to my 1,000 subscriber goal. I'll see you on the next one. Have a delicious day.